What's up, creatives? Kevin Ellup on set from ksound.com. In this video, we're going to focus on a pretty cool plugin by Denise. It's their Saturator plugin. I like this plugin. It's pretty simple, straight to the point, and yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. So, all right, so here's the track I've been working on here. We're going to start from here in this section. So this plugin is deactivated. So let's enable the plugin. I have it on the master. So if we was to use this on the master track, this is what it would sound like. So let's drive a little bit more. So immediately, there's not much bass going. So let's put that back. Let's see if I decrease this here. Right, and that's because we're in bright. So let's go to natural. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to explain exactly what these two are doing, but I'm noticing this knob right here, or this fader. I think what it's doing is just turning it up and down. This is like my output, and this is more so like my threshold, I think. You know, that's kind of my thought about what they're doing, but they definitely go hand in hand in a sense. So if I want the transients to stick out some more, let's go for dark. I'm guessing the meters down here is showing the reduction. We're going to deactivate that, and we're going to put this on, say, like the guitar. This is probably what I would do with the saturator. Guitar, probably vocal, maybe snare. Yeah, definitely snare. So here's a sparkle guitar here. So a little drive in there. So add a little smooth. What about, let's make it bright. Now, this safe button is, I think the safe button is more so like the compressor. That's what it seemed like. So if I take it off, difference right there. That safe is like a compressor. Yeah. So let's bypass that. Let's reactivate that. Right. Okay, so on my machine track, let's add it here. This will be my entire drums. Right. Man, I'm loving it. I don't think I would use any of these. Just leave it natural. Bring up the transit some. And this is like, I don't know, this is like decreasing the overall volume of the plug-in. Right. And this is I think this is just your output. That's kind of what I'm hearing. You see? Can you hear the difference? So if you take the safe off, it's not compressing as much. The attack is hard in your face. So it just depends on what you're going for. I do like the attack, but what the safe on, it kind of gives it a glue. So that's the Denise plugin, the Saturator. I like it a whole lot. They have a whole product line. They have, of course, the Saturator. Then they have another one called the Noise. Then there's one for bass. There's a transient booster. There's a compressor, a New York style. Then there's a limiter. I am impressed with the Saturator. I like what it did. I will be using that. This is pretty cool. Like I say, it's very simple, straight to the point. There's not a lot of thought process going into it, and that's what music production is all about, or the art of mixing. So if you're impressed with the sound like I am, I will be playing with this even more. I will probably be doing more videos just with the plugin in place. And these plugins are really inexpensive. Big up to Denise. You can visit their site, denise.io. And that's how you can find the different plugins that they have available. My name is Ellip from ksound.com. Remember, music is art. You're the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. ku.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ella. Thank you.
I'm done.